Anthropic is adding another $50 billion to its AI compute bill, announcing a new plan to build massive data centers across the U.S., starting in Texas and New York. They're partnering with a UK-based firm called FluidStack, that is the same neo-cloud provider powering GPU clusters for Meta, Mistral, and Midjourney. The first sites are coming online in 2026, and it adds to an $11 billion campus that Amazon just built for Anthropic in Indiana, and a new expansion with Google Cloud worth tens of billions of dollars. But this is really the clearest sign yet that Anthropic wants to own the physical backbone of AI, not just the models that run on top of it. But the real question here is, how are they paying for it? Anthropic hasn't said whether debt financing is lined up or if it's dipping into the $13 billion that it raised in September. And even with its sharper focus on enterprise customers, which is the higher margin side of AI, they're still not generating enough cash to fund projects of this scale. And it all comes amid what analysts are calling an AI debt boom. Oracle's credit default swaps have spiked to a 2-year high as investors hedge against its AI-driven borrowing. And Meta CDs, they just hit the market as it leans on off-balance sheet financing for data centers. OpenAI, meanwhile, it is asking Washington to expand CHIPS Act tax credits to cover AI infrastructure after its CFO sparked backlash by floating and then walking back the idea of a federal backstop for its trillion-dollar compute deals, all of it pointing to one bigger reality, that America's AI race is increasingly being built on borrowed money.